Assalamu alaikum, and my name is Dolon and thank you for watching. Today I have a healthy item for you. It's a fish item. It's called Juree and I've made it with a fish from Bangladesh. It's called Rui. You can prepare it with any other fish. I prefer this one because I've had it since a very young age and I find it easy with this one. Children love it. You can put it in a sandwich or have it with roti, some way you're feeding fish to children. So let's have a look at the ingredients and let's get cooking. So here we are with the fish. It's called Rui Fish and it's from Bangladesh. And all I've done is I've cleaned the scale off and I've washed it with salt and lemon. And what I'm going to do now is just boil the fish in water with a bit of haldi. So let's boil it and add a bit more water so it covers itself and maybe an inch above the fish level. 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and I'll leave it to boil for about 15 minutes. Now that the fish has boiled, I'm going to take the fish out, drain it. So you can see it's all boiled. We'll start picking the bones and just have the fish meat ready to be cooked. As you can see, all the fish here, I've taken the bones out. You can see there's no more bones. Okay, so the fish is ready. We'll put a tablespoon of oil. Put the onions in. Salt here, so I'll put maybe a teaspoon. And now just wait for the onions to be cooked. Once it's softened and it's gone slightly brown, we'll add the rest of the spices. As you can see, the onions are now ready. They've gone slightly brown and they've softened, so I'll add the remaining spices. So I've got turmeric here. So 1 teaspoon. Green chilies. Now just 2 bay leaves, and now I'll add the fish. Now we'll just mix this and leave this for about 5 minutes. Okay, so this is now all ready. I'll just add the coriander leaves. Let that sit for about a minute and then we can take it off. So now it's all ready to be put on the plate. So here we are, the Juree is done. You can have it with rice, roti, put it in a sandwich, toast it, you can have it with anything. It's very light and it's very nice. Do try it at home and thank you for watching.